How to transfer money on Wise. So to transfer money on Wise, what you want to do is you want to click on the Recipients tab at the bottom menu. Next, click on Add a Recipient. Here, you want to select the currency of the recipient. So in my case, it's going to be Euro. Then click on Enter Bank Details. Next, choose whether the recipient is yourself, someone else, or a business/organization. In my case, I'm going to choose myself. Select whether this account is inside or outside of Europe. In my case, it's inside. Enter the full name and then enter the IBAN, which stands for International Business Account Number. Once you've entered the IBAN, click on Confirm. Next, you will see the account details and you can click on Send Money. Write the amount that you would like to transfer, so we will do 10 euro. And what's really cool about Wise is that you can actually choose how you would like to pay for this transfer. So if you click on Change right here, you can see that you can use your Wise balance. You can use a debit or credit card such as Visa, MasterCard, or Maestro. You can do a simple bank transfer, a regular bank transfer, Ideal, Sofor, Trustly, and even Apple Pay. Choose the method that best suits you and go with that. I'm going to stick to Wise balance and then I'm going to click on Continue. On the last step, it's going to ask you to review the details, and once everything looks good, click on Confirm and Send. And this is how you transfer money on Wise. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.